Greetings, adventurers and explorers! Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover 15 captivating facts about one of humanity's oldest navigate, iron tools, the compass. Join me as we delve into the history, science, and cultural significance of this remarkable invention. Fact 1. Ancient origins. Did you know that the compass has been used for navigation for over 1,000 years? It originated in ancient China during the Han Dynasty around the 2nd century BC, initially as a divination tool. Fact 2. Magnetic north versus true north. One of the most essential principles of the compass is understanding the difference between magnetic north and true north. Magnetic north is the direction pointed to by a compass needle, while true north is the direction towards the geographic North Pole. Fact 3. The needle's alignment. The needle of a compass aligns itself with Earth's magnetic field, with one end pointing towards the magnetic North Pole and the other end pointing towards the magnetic South Pole. This alignment allows travelers to determine their direction accurately. Fact 4. The Chinese invention. Although the compass was invented in China, it wasn't widely used for navigation until the 11th century. Chinese navigators relied on the compass's ability to align with the lodestone, a naturally occurring magnetic rock, to chart their courses at sea. Fact 5. European adoption. The compass made its way to Europe via trade routes during the Middle Ages. Its introduction revolutionized maritime navigation, allowing sailors to venture into uncharted waters and explore distant lands. Fact 6. Declination adjustment. To account for the difference between magnetic north and true north, navigators use a process called declination adjustment. This involves calibrating the compass to compensate for the angle between magnetic north and true north at a specific location. Fact 7. Compass rose. A compass rose is a design on a compass card that shows the cardinal directions north, south, east, and west, as well as intermediate directions such as northeast, southwest, etc. It helps users orient themselves and navigate with precision. Fact 8. The mariner's astrolabe. Before the invention of the compass, ancient mariners used astrolabes to navigate by the stars. However, the compass quickly became the preferred tool for navigation due to its simplicity and reliability. Fact 9. Global navigation. The compass played a crucial role in the Age of Exploration, enabling European explorers like Christopher Columbus and Ferdinand and Magellan to circumnavigate the globe and discover new continents. Fact 10. The magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field, which is essential for the function of a compass, is generated by the movement of molten iron in its outer core. This magnetic field extends far beyond the planet's surface and influences the behavior of compass needles. Fact 11. Digital compasses. While traditional compasses use a magnetic needle, modern digital compasses rely on electronic sensors to determine direction. These digital compasses are commonly found in smartphones, GPS devices, and other electronic gadgets. Fact 12. Compasses in culture. Throughout history, the compass has been a symbol of guidance, exploration, and adventure in various cultures around the world. It has appeared in literature, art, and mythology as a representation of direction and destiny. Fact 13. Military applications. Compasses have long been used by militaries for navigation, surveying, and targeting. They played a critical role in military campaigns throughout history and continue to be essential tools for modern armed forces. Fact 14. Compass dials. Compass dials are devices that use a compass needle to indicate direction. They come in various forms, including handheld compasses, marine compasses, and surveyor's compasses, each designed for specific applications. Fact 15. Innovations and advancements. Over the centuries, the compass has undergone numerous innovations and advancements. From the addition of sighting devices to the integration of GPS technology, these advancements have made navigation more accurate and efficient than ever before. And there you have it, 15 fascinating facts about the compass that shed light on its rich history, scientific principles, and cultural significance. Whether you're exploring the wilderness, sailing the seas, or simply finding your way in life, the compass remains an indispensable tool for navigating the world around us. Thanks for joining me on this journey of discovery, and until next time, happy exploring!